Hello guys, welcome to the new video. In this video I want to do the quick unboxing of Pixel 4a. This device costs around 350 euro in Germany. Maybe you can find also a little bit cheaper deals, especially maybe in next month, maybe Pixel 5a will be announced, so this device will also get a little bit cheaper. This is also kind of budget phone with a really good camera, and I bought this device for a old lady, which she is 81 years old, so I'm also curious if she can use this device or not. We will see. She will for sure contact me for so many issues, but I will try to help her so that she can get used to it, because she used, like, I think Samsung or Huawei phone, I'm not sure, and now she wants to switch to a new phone. We will see how it will go. So there's a small learning curve here with the software, with the Pixel software. So I have to help her. In general, the feeling in the hand feels also premium, this phone. It doesn't feel too much plasticky, but I have to say Pixel 4 that I have, it feels a little bit better. But this phone has less bezels, and with the punch hole, it feels like more like a modern. It also comes with the adapter in the box, and you have also the USB-C to USB-C port. And also you have this USB-C to USB-A adapter, which you can use to transfer data. My first impressions is that it has a good screen quality. I think it's better than Pixel 3a. My girlfriend has 3a, so I can compare that also later. And the build quality feels good. It's 350 euros, so you should not expect like a really premium quality, but it feels good in the hand, and the design looks modern. So hope you guys enjoyed this video, and hope to see you guys in the next one.